most of the tapes that we use in the industry for painting are pretty much a standard size. The diameter of it is a fixed size.
Yeah.
So as long as that diameter is roughly about 77 millimeters, you should be able to put that on this holder here. The width is independent of that.
I see.
So if you want to get, say, 2 3/4-inch tapes on this thing here, you probably could. And I have a video where I did put a really, I think it was one of the thinner widths of frog tape, and then I put the blue tape on top of it. So I was able to hold 2 different tapes, because, you think about it as a painter, if you're using the frog tape, which is pretty expensive,
Yes.
and you want to get some nice lines, and then you're masking off the floor, you're putting paper down on the floor, you're not going to use frog tape for that. You're going to use your blue tape or something a lot less expensive. So this way, with a tape holder, you can actually have 2 different tapes on the one adapter. If you have one on your left hand, and then one on your right hand, and
you're double fisting it, right?
Yeah, you got 2 different tapes. You can have, the green tape here and the blue tape over here.
I'm sure that all the painters out there that's going to buy this product and use it, they're going to come up with a million other ways of using it that you and I never talk about, because that's what painters do. They just come up with ideas all day long.